This is the ASMDL360 Digital Angle Level, a compact 4-in-1 inclinometer designed for precision, versatility, and ease of use. With a strong magnetic V-groove base, it attaches securely to flat or curved metal surfaces, perfect for wheel alignment, pipe fitting, or cabinet installs. It also includes a built-in torpedo level for quick visual reference. No batteries needed. The ASMDL360 features 4 measurement modes, degrees, percent slope, millimeters per meter, and pitch in inches per foot. Switch modes with a single tap. Need a custom reference point? The zero function lets you calibrate from any angle, ideal for slope matching or compound cuts. And with the hold button, you can freeze your reading to reposition or record measurements with ease. We built this tool to pair perfectly with our steering wheel level, but it's ready for any job.
Auto Solo, alignment tools for professionals and home mechanics.